minis. Got Wesley right there.
Frozen lemonade.
And I got a her. And we found a tent cat. Well, Wesley found a tent caterpillar. First episode. Success. Well, we don't talk about something that happened earlier. It's just, you know exactly what I'm talking about. What's that? A hole? It's a hole. I found a hole. Oh my gosh. What the heck?
Did I just hear calm down, Joel?
Yes, that's exactly what you heard. Whoa, what was that? Something moved. What the? Nothing. Let's go over to the trails. So I want to go to the cement blocks again. Low battery. Yay. I don't care if my battery's low. My nose is itchy. Whoa. That was someone playing a game over there. So yesterday...
Are you videotaping?
Yes. Yesterday we found all those snakes and lizards all the way over there. There's a few cement blocks that me and Wesley can't lift up.
Okay. Those 3 people I can...
Yeah.
Let's go.
Why?
We're not bringing anything back.
Okay. My nose is so itchy. So itchy. Oh, Tesla? No. Looks like one. Me and Matthew saw a Tesla earlier.
Can you get that for me? Servant.
I'm not your servant.
And what are you handing to me right now?
Your water bottle because you said please.
Please be my servant.
Nope. Please don't always work that way. Just gonna switch hands with this just because I'm going to fall if I don't, so. Yeah?
Did you actually try to find the music that I used for the weird one when we were walking here?
Yep, and we found it.
Yeah, for the
Ye- Yep. See those big cement blocks? Me and Wesley were able to move one of them with just both of us, but we couldn't lift it all the way up. I don't remember which one it was. Okay, good, because this one, me and Wesley couldn't lift up at all.
Let me put my phone in my bag. Can you hold the bag? No, don't do that. I broke my screen that way.
What?
Yeah, that big old crack in the corner.
Yeah?
If I just let this breathe, will it just burn the lemonade?
Probably not.
No, like if I just let it thaw out and like melt.
Probably.
Taping the grass, huh? Yeah, it's like stuck in the ground.
Okay, I'm gonna.
That's the one that we couldn't get up.
I know. I'm gonna. She moved it. Going back home.
He said he was going to sit on the sidewalk because it was really hot and they told him to drink
Oh.
more water. Dehydration can be really bad in this kind of heat.
Oh, I was dehydrated today. Isn't that great?
Sometimes I wonder about all this grass.
Oh, Clint has they put so much stuff behind their fence, right? So much wood and all of that. And I'm like, I'm searching for snakes sometime there. Yeah, we checked under that and nothing was under that. Sometimes you have to go all the way in there.
Well, makes sense. It wouldn't be mostly by the trail because...
Oh my God. Got a big fly.
Get a picture. I did everything. I'm going to tell everyone you screamed about a fly.
Oh, that's where I found, it was either second. What was that?
I think that's their brakes.
They need to wash their brakes. Yeah, I stepped on a cactus yesterday. Yeah, that's where I found
Look how pretty. Oh my God, get a picture of that guy. I've never seen that kind before.
Zoom in. Oh, it's all the way down. There. It zoomed in all the way it could. Anything?
No.
Surprisingly, there was... Yesterday we were lucky. That's why I want to go to Fountain Creek this week. Or hiking, because we find all the animals.
Okay, where do we go?
Just stay in here and you'll find random planks and all of that. And then that's how...
Most of us are pulling our legs.
Oh,
Mine already have chalk all over them.
oh, that's a snake hole, I think. Look at that.
Cool. Are you recording anything?
Yeah, I'm recording. It's...
Oh, awesome.
If I stop the video, since iMovie can merge stuff, I can just merge them.
Nothing. Oh, where's the mark?
Oh, is that a grasshopper? No. Yesterday I was not careful. And I just stepped right on one. Oh, this place is so good. This is where we found the first snake. Under that big one. Yeah.
That big one?
Yeah, that's where we found the first
We
snake.
can move that. Or try to.
But we haven't moved all these rocks yet. Surprisingly. Nothing?
Nothing. Not lucky there this time.
So you gotta be careful for black widows.
Yeah.
Because I've seen about...
You want to check that log again?
Yes. That's where I set free a second snake because I found him close to that log.
This is where we found that other lizard.
Yeah.
She's not there. I'm worried. Beetle, look how cool. Get a picture, please.
Yeah.
That's a cool one.
Whoa. That's cool.
I'm worried about her because I don't know. I don't want to scare her away from her home, you know. She might be out hunting though.
I've been checking that log, seeing if the skink has been back. Has not, ever since we found her that day.
She might have moved house.
Ooh, what if that was that skink we saw yesterday?
It might have been. How big was the one yesterday?
I have a picture. I'm so happy iMovie can merge stuff because I stop these videos a lot.
I wish I could use iMovie. It's really cool.
The further you go up, there were a ton of big planks around here.
Yeah.
That's where I found that mouse yesterday.
There's that big old
Now,
fence.
Matthew moved all of them.
Well, here's this big, huge fence.
Yeah. See how they're all spread out?
Oh, yeah.
When it was right over here, I lifted it up. I thought it was a nice chubby lizard.
The snake?
No, the mouse. I thought it was a chubby lizard. Oh wait, I never actually dug in here.
Wait, you guys messed up the mouse's nest?
I didn't. I just saw the mouse.
You guys should have put these back where you found them.
I didn't move them. When I took my hand off, Matthew just threw them.
Nothing.
So yeah, these really do need to go back.
What?
These do need to go back.
Yeah, I don't know which one's going in.
It doesn't really matter which order you put them because it's not going to bother Nothing. Ow! I hate these spikes.
Watch out.
I hate these little seeds that get caught.
Yeah, look, I got chocolate in my legs because they're doing chalk paint.
Up there, there's a few planks up there, but there's wasp nest in the little tube up there. It's like
right up there, by there, I found the dead snake.
Right. Oh, earlier today, well, when Matthew left me, while I was trying to lift up the cement, right? That this girl was running and screaming because there were so many grasshoppers.
Oh, that's funny.
And she had her dog. Moths?
Moths.
Oh.
Moths counts really good for the identification. Could you get open the ID app if you can?
I can just get a few pictures.
Oh, there's a small little nest. Hi. Hiya, friend.
Ooh, wait, I actually want to get pictures.
Yeah, that could be a really cool picture. Like that one I got in the...
Don't sting me.
Like that one I got in that Christmas bell I found.
Ow! What is in my shoe?
Probably a sticker.
It's so annoying. Ow!
Did you get my last message?
No.
Hediondo, it means smelly. Smelly boy.
Oh wait, never mind. Yeah, I did. I don't understand Spanish. Well, hi, Matthew.
I am trying to take a picture of this moss.
No, not yet. Ooh.
Not more butter. I just have to wait for it to heal for a couple of days and done.
It's gonna take more than a few days.
Well, it's fine.
Spider! Pretty cool one.
Where is it?
Right here. She's like white.
White? Show me. Where's
Wait, what are you looking
Right on
at?
my camera. You see her?
No.
Yeah, I'll try and get a picture. She's right there on that stick.
Oh. Oh, I caught the skinniest grasshopper earlier.
Hey guys,
Yeah?
should we be concerned?
Oh, it's pretty cool.
Guys, hey guys, you should be pretty concerned that we're right next to
Well,
the
if we don't mess with it, it won't mess with us. Even though I'm still scared of wasps.
Spider right there.
Me, where? Again.
right in there.
What the heck? I did not ask for Google Lens.
Okay, we probably won't find no snakes today unless we go further up that trail too.
We can do that and then move
Oh.
back around.
Okay.
Careful of that wasp. Let him know.
Oh, this. Ooh, wait! I have not lifted this up yet. Nothing.
Always a hit or miss kind of chance, you know?
Wait, this already said for the small lizard. What was that? Oh, that's a big grasshopper. That's what that was. Oh wait, we haven't actually gotten this far up yet.
One time I saw
I found my first dead snake right here, and I was rotting it down behind there.
There's a trash bag somewhere up there.
I'm here.
Oh hey, it's a doggo.
Mr. Frostclaw
What is in my butt?
and our friend. And we're at the box.
This way, Matthew.
nothing. We're looking for snakes.
No luck. Ooh.
No, not yet, but we're still looking because they had good luck yesterday. So maybe we can find at least a baby today, you think?
It's.
The dead yucca plants are so creepy looking.
But remember, skinks come out at this time.
Yeah,
This is a good chance you'll see a skink.
wearing shorts in this kind of thing is not a good idea.
Well, do you see me?
Yeah.
Matthew, do you see me? I mean, no, Savannah, do you see what I'm wearing?
You better be careful because you almost stepped on a cactus.
He's right in the middle.
Oh.
Yeah, pretty soon he'll grow up to be a beautiful butterfly.
Moth.
Well, they're moths, but hopefully.
Wait, are you gonna keep him?
I might try. I'll let him go in my garden. Oh, anthill. Hope he's on the next. Probably California.
What the frick was that? Dude, someone just went. Was that you, Matthew?
No. It wasn't.
Oh, wait, it might have been Wesley.
Wesley!
Go for it, go for it, go for it. It is Wesley. Ooh, more wood.
Oh, guys, look what I found! An old flip phone.
Whoa.
Part of a flip phone.
That is so cool.
Keep it.
I could put it in resin, maybe.
Oh, that's so cool.
That is cool.
We just found a part of a flip phone.
That's cool.
What if we find the other part? Yeah, looks all broken.
But it's Wales. It depends if it depends if we can go up there.
Well, I need to go back.
Wesley's asking you something.
Not right now. I only said we were riding bikes and going up here and stuff.
Let's continue. Ooh, here's some cool stuff. Lift up. Oh, hey, a beer bottle.
Oh, yes. Move.
You are not picking up the beer bottle. No, put down the beer bottle. Don't smash the beer bottle. No. Do not smash the bottle.
Team vodka.
That completely failed. God, chuck it at the ground. So much random stuff happens. Ow! I hate these seeds.
Ow! Ow! I hate them too.
These.
Yeah, I just
They
got
go.
one in my finger.
What are you guys doing? I'm just gonna let you guys do your thing. How is there nothing in these yucca plants? They're still chucking the bottle.
Guys, no, that's dangerous. Don't do it.
Not over my butt.
I had 5 in my butt earlier. Yeah, it's very dangerous up here. My butt is itchy. My butt is itchy. He heard either a grasshopper or a skink imitating something. Oh, hi. Hi, little dude.
Oh, that'll be a good picture.
If I can zoom in. Oh, the wind. Oh, it's dog.
Oh, it's 64.
It's getting so windy out here.
If you say so windy like a dog.
Where are you going, Matthew?
No snakes today,
Oh, my.
huh? How many feet is it grown up? 1.5, 2?
More than one. Oh, more than one. More than 1.5.
It didn't look like a full tree.
It's about that big.
Yeah, 1.5, I'd say. Well, there's some pictures we can document and maybe try an idea. But we have to let it go, okay?
I will. I already have a Zayden. I can't keep a snake. Unless I get rid of Zayden. But that would be a very bad idea. Because Aiden's not here, so.
No snake, and especially I won't
I know.
Because they're developing stuff.
I know.
And Papa said he doesn't want you to keep moving.
Well, yeah, it's a snake. Ah!
Oh God, look your shoes. Oh God. Guys are walking these stickers.
Oh gosh. Why? Now I have to like on my shoe. It's gonna be not fun having to do that. I have to pull off every single sticker in my shoe.
Yeah, folks, I'm gonna see how far I can go without pedaling. Let's go.
Don't hit my bike.
He moved his foot. He's moving his feet. Okay. Oh. I'm probably changing socks after this.
I would, yeah. I already left that at Bowman Pincher Buds.
Oh.
Put it back.
Ow.
Are you gonna get some landscape pictures for that teaser?
Probably. Probably gonna end the video here. So bye guys.